The prototype, presented here, was developed in a research project funded by the German Federal Ministry of Economics and Energy. The aim was to find a replacement for slip rings or connectors and support data rates up to 100 megabits per second. It demonstrates the contactless energy and data transmission and consists of a rotating and a stationary part. Among other things, the rotating part carries a camera with a fast Ethernet interface. Electronics and camera are supplied with inductive energy, and the video signal from the camera is transmitted inductively to the stationary part. Complex 3D wavesolver simulations are necessary to optimize the high-frequency parameters of the data and energy coils. The transmission technology is based on reconfigurable hardware, in order to be able to supplement further transmission protocols in the future. The transmission is also trouble-free during rotation, regardless of the speed. The participating companies are Creative Chips, Adatronics, IST Sensor Technik, all located in Germany. For more information, please contact the Institute of Technology Transfer, FIT, of the University of Applied Sciences of Saarland.